This is the PTX 1163. It's a pneumatic tool to crimp or stake a plastic cap into an aluminum extrusion. In this case, customer needs to prevent this cap from sliding in the extrusion. So the tool will end up crimping this little sleeve right up against the plastic sleeve. So the tool was designed as a short stroke crimp tool, so it'll fit up inside. Very little movement in the stroke because we just need to stake that little area up in there. A Delrin sleeve has been added to the lower jaw to prevent damaging the outside face of the extrusion. So in effect, it's just a real simple process. There is a step built into the pad so that the tool can go in and go in all the way, and it stops up against that stop. Push it up tight against the plastic insert and stake it. Same thing would be true. Let's do the other side here. Just a simple, quick stake. So if you can see up inside, hopefully this will show up on camera, you'll see the little stake mark in there, and we've compressed this little portion of the extrusion. The same process would be used in this case for this extrusion where we're using a rubber seal. The tool will stake that little area up in there so that it effectively does the same thing. Get it up in here so that you can see it. Now we're protecting the outside with that Delrin sleeve. And there you can probably see the staking a little bit better because of the contrast in the color. Okay, and now it's secure. This one hasn't been yet, but we can stake that one up as well. Oops, wrong. There we go. And there again, you can see the little stake mark up in there that has secured that seal in there. Okay. PTX 1163, if you have a similar application, give us a call. Toll free, 888-444-1202. It's Custom Products and Services. Thanks.